welcome back. Another video today. Me and the family, we've headed out into the Peloponnese, into the centre of the Peloponnese, into the more mountainous areas. We are exploring the, I think this is Foloi Forest. It's a big forest in the middle of the Peloponnese. Beautiful. We just stopped in a cafe on the road. We had some Greek coffee and some spanakopita. Put one fueled up. It's about an hour and a half to get here, so it was nice to stretch the legs. We're now right out into the mountains, checking out the views, driving down to a waterfall. So we're hopefully going to go on a little waterfall trail and check that one out. But check out these views. God, it's fantastic here. We'll try and show you these waterfalls in a sec, and we'll explore a bit more. So yeah, stick around. Way here we stopped off at the it's a big reservoir, a big lake that's it's just outside of Patra. It's on the way here. It's quite cool. I took some drone footage. I'll relay that right now. As you can see, there's actually a church that was built in this area, and from what I hear, from what I read, I think the church was there first, of course, and then they built the reservoir. So it's quite a cool thing to see. I've put it on some of my videos in the past. I cycled here a few months ago. So yeah, if you're in Patra, come check that out. It's pretty cool. Well, we made it down from the top of the mountain there, if you want to call it that. It's a pretty treacherous road. I'd always advise checking the roads out before you come down these. Half of it was gravel, and I think there have been a few landslides as well. But we have made it to this river, which we have looked into a bit more, and I think the waterfalls are actually cave waterfalls, which means we'd have to go inside a cave with our son, so it's probably not the best of ideas to do that. So we're going to wander around here and find our way home or to the next destination without having to go back up that road, because that's pretty horrible. By the looks of it, we can go down this way, so we'll see. We'll check this out. It's lovely.
So hello, here we are. We've come to the river. I thought I'll go and test the water and see what the temperature is like. So let's go and have a look then. Let's check it out. And as you can see, I've got my hand in. It is actually very cold, but look at that. It's magic. It's very pretty. It's really nice. That's Greek nature for you, unfolded in this river. Well, part of it anyway. And there's my two boys. That one is too smiley. I think he likes it. He wants to come in.
We found a couple of other people today, been up by the waterfall. We asked their advice. They had a few children, so they said as long as we're cautious, we should be able to get up there. So decided to give it a go. It's a little single track pass. Yeah, let's see how we get on. I sent the wife down to go check. I heard the boy. Oh, there is a tiny waterfall. Might be more down there, but we decided not to go much further than this. We'll yeah. Well, this is all you're getting. I guess that is a waterfall in a way, but it's not much. I'd imagine the trekked up through there a little more, you might get more of a waterfall. Hey, it's pretty cool. It's pretty chilled here. Would recommend coming. It looks like perhaps we've had a landslide and you can't get through the rest of the path because of that. So. So we made it out of the by the river and the waterfall. It probably wasn't the best route to take though. We ended up going down a track to avoid the mountain road, but that track was way worse. So we've now headed back out into the forest, and I think we found it. So the forest is beautiful. It's the Foloi Forest, it's called. It's full of oak trees, and it's just like the New Forest back in England. It's like being back in England. It's amazing. I definitely come see this if you're around in the Peloponnese. So. So we made it to the town, well we're just outside it anyway, to the it's the town of Foloi. You say it? Where's that sign? We just stopped at a nice vista point before you get to the town. We're just going to check it out. You always find around Greece they have springs. They pipe the springs into a little station so you can get some fresh water from. So we'll check that out. And then get on, find a taverna and have some lunch, shall we? No water on this one here though.
So nice when you cooperate. When you cooperate. That doesn't.
We got out of that place at just the right time. It was a pretty quiet little taverna, but then we I think some sort of tour group must have come in going on hikes, and it filled the entire restaurant up, people trying to poach our table and everything. So that'll be it for this video. I think we're going to head back to Patra now, chill out for the evening. yeah, we'll make some plans to go somewhere else next week perhaps. We're trying to do a lot of exploring, trying to do a bit more interesting videos. So if you like this one, remember like and subscribe.